I have made more than $300,000 in my online business, and mostly people ask me, Priyanshu, what is the secret sauce behind it? How have you made this amount of money in the less period of time? And I am planning to make my first $1 million in upcoming 1 year. So the reason I'm going to share in this video, if you will learn this fact, you will definitely going to transform your life. So the number one thing which I started doing in my online business in my journey, the number one thing was investing money. You might have seen a lot of YouTube videos, how to make money at free of cost, how to make thousands of dollars a day without investing money, how to make money without doing anything, how to make money passively. But in reality, these videos doesn't work. If you have seen these kind of videos, definitely you can relate it with me. If you cannot trust me, you can go on YouTube and you can search that. But let me tell you the reality of these videos. The reality of these videos are like this. Many YouTubers create these YouTube videos just to get views. People like you who don't have any knowledge, who want to make money online for free of cost, give these YouTubers views, and these YouTubers make money either from affiliate marketing. They promote third-party softwares, you purchase it, and after purchasing it, you don't get your results, you waste your money. But these people make a lot of money out of it. Second, they make money from ads. So until or unless you don't invest your money in the business, forget about making a lot of money. So the basic rule of investing money is you need to invest in those people who have already achieved something in their life. Do not invest in those programs which claim that you can make money easily. There is no money you can make easily in life. You really need to put the work. The reason why mostly programs, mostly YouTubers, mostly affiliate marketers, digital marketers, they tell you it's easy to make money online is just to sell you a course. And when you purchase a course, you find it valuable, but nobody supports you. And you stay at the same place and wasting your time. And then you are afraid to invest again. That is the main reason why mostly people fail. And I have started my journey like this and wasted almost 2 years in my life as well. After COVID in 2021, when I started my online business, I was not even aware about this thing and purchased the program as well, but it didn't help me out. I invested my $1,500. Then after that, I was not getting any support. As I have mentioned that there was a girl, she just sold me the one program which was costing me $1,500 and she got $1,100 commission out of it. She made $1,000 out from that. And then I realized that digital marketing is not all about selling courses. So people are selling courses and making money out of it, but digital marketing is more from it. Like you can make money by selling softwares, by selling programs which should be valuable. And there are 3-step systems you need to follow in order to make your first $10,000, $100,000, because I have made it. I have made multiple $100,000, multiple $10,000 a month, couple of times as well. So you just need 3-step system. First of all, you need to identify your category, your niche. Your category plays an important role. If you are not sure about category, if you are not sure about your niche, so definitely you will be losing a lot of money on the table and you will be wasting your time. So there are 3 broader niche. The number one is health, second is wealth, third one is relationship. So health, wealth, relationship. So there are 3 major niches you need to work on. After choosing a niche, you need to choose a product. It can be related to health, it can be related to wealth, it can be related to relationship. After choosing the product, you need a traffic. But before traffic, you need to create an automation system. So automation system is what you need to do. You need to create that system where people send their email address and you can do email marketing from the back end. Your email list has a lot of money. You don't own the traffic on social media, Instagram, TikTok. You don't own that traffic. If you want to own a traffic, you need to build your email list. All these biggest companies, Facebook, Microsoft, these people have your data. That plays an important role. And that's why they are billionaires, because they have a lot of data. So when you have 1,000 to 10,000 people in your email list, you can sell anything. You can sell any product. Out of 10,000 people, 1,000 people will buy, you will make money out of it. If you sell that product which give you $10 commission, you have email list of 10,000 people and 1,000 people buy from that, you can make $10,000. It's just a number game you need to understand. And then you need to choose the traffic source. Either you can use paid one you can use free traffic. Free traffic will be time consuming. It will take you 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, but definitely it's a free of cost. Definitely it will take time for you. But if you are focusing on paid traffic, you still need to learn that skill. That's why I have created Freedom Founders Academy, where we don't sell courses, we teach people. And if you are someone who really want to do something in his or her life, you can join our community and you can DM us that I need to be the part of Freedom Founders Academy. Then definitely me, Uzma Rajveer, we have collaborated. Uzma has made more than $300,000 in her online business, and I have also made more than $300,000 to $400,000, including Rajveer, who has made $100,000 in her online business. So collectively we have made $1 million, and we have a client results over $850,000. And if you're someone who really want to become successful, who really have an investment mindset, you can join our Freedom Founders Academy. Link is in the description, and after joining you will definitely going to feel a lot of relaxation, because I have some free courses as well where you can learn from it. Firstly, get some education, and if you're serious enough to take participation, you can participate. So I wish you all the very best. See you in the next video. Make sure comment down your questions. I will be covering that topic in the next video. I wish you all the very best. Bye bye. Take care.